What are the essential items to keep in my car emergency kit? Having a well-prepared car emergency kit is essential to ensure your safety and the safety of your passengers in case of unexpected situations on the road. Here are the essential items you should keep in your car emergency kit. 1. First aid kit. Include basic medical supplies like bandages, adhesive tape, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, scissors, tweezers, and any necessary medications. 2. Flashlight and extra batteries. A reliable flashlight will help you see and signal for help in the dark. Make sure to keep extra batteries as well. 3. Reflective triangles or road flares. These items can be used to make your vehicle more visible to other drivers in case of breakdowns or accidents. 4. Jumper cables. Jumper cables are essential to jump-start your car if the battery dies. 5. Tire repair kit and tools. Keep a tire repair kit, including a tire sealant and a tire inflator, as well as necessary tools like a lug wrench and a jack. 6. Multi-tool or Swiss Army knife. A multi-tool or Swiss Army knife can be handy for various tasks and minor repairs. 7. Blanket or emergency sleeping bag. A warm blanket or an emergency sleeping bag can provide comfort and warmth in case you are stranded in cold weather. 8. Bottled water and non-perishable snacks. Carry some bottled water and non-perishable snacks like granola bars to stay hydrated and nourished during emergencies. 9. Portable phone charger. Keep a portable phone charger or a power bank to charge your mobile phone if needed. 10. Duct tape and zip ties. Duct tape and zip ties can temporarily fix various issues until you reach a proper repair facility. 11. Whistle. A whistle can help you attract attention if you are in distress. 12. Fire extinguisher. A small fire extinguisher can be useful in case of a minor vehicle fire. 13. Paper map. While GPS is convenient, it's good to have a paper map in case you lose signal or face technical difficulties. 14. Cash. Keep some cash, as it might come in handy for tolls, small purchases, or emergency situations. 15. Personal items. Consider adding personal items like a spare set of clothes, personal hygiene products, and any necessary medications. Regularly check and update your car emergency kit, especially before long trips or during seasonal changes. Remember to familiarize yourself with the items in the kit and how to use them effectively.